Thank you for watching Yardistry Gazebo 12 by 14 pre-assembly. We are organizing and we have put everything in organized by numbers. We move on to the wood beams where we have two short beams and two long beams. I build the short beams no problem. As I move on to the long beam with this piece of steel in the middle, I struggle because it told me to put the T-nuts on a certain piece. I did that and it kept coming up and not matching up. So we move on to the next long beam, which I get right the first time based on my first mistakes. We move on to the roof rafter pieces. My helper returns from his other job and we start building the roof rafters. As we get to the metal pieces, several metal pieces, all the plastic film needs to be pulled off both sides. It's very tedious. It causes people to take lunches after that. We move on to the other metal strips and pieces that need plastic pulled off. We continue to go ahead and move on to finishing the first roof rafter. Once that is complete, we move on to the next. We do not go in between. That green flash was my ladder falling down based on the very, very high winds. You can notice the trees in the background. As we move on to the large roof rafters, we get them both completed, and once we complete all the roof rafters, we move on to the columns, which just need footings so we can stand them up and we can concrete them into, not concrete them, put them into the ground with concrete anchors. Thank you.